If you've ever felt like getting fit requires endless hours in the gym, you're not alone. With so many workout trends and equipment-heavy routines out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But here's the truth, you don't need all that to achieve impressive fitness results. Push-ups, one of the most straightforward yet powerful exercises, can provide a full-body workout that strengthens, tones, and improves endurance. So why aren't more people doing them? The problem: fitness myths and overcomplicated workouts. We've all been there, signing up for the latest fitness program, getting pumped about a new piece of gym equipment, or following a complex routine that seems more stressful than beneficial. But despite the promises of rapid results, many people find themselves stuck in a cycle of complicated workouts with little time or motivation to stick with them. The hidden power of push-ups, the ultimate full-body exercise. Push-ups might seem simple, but they deliver incredible benefits when done consistently. This timeless exercise works nearly every muscle group in the body, making it one of the best full-body moves out there. Here's why: targets multiple muscle groups. Every push-up engages your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your legs. By performing this one exercise, you're strengthening multiple areas at once without the need for expensive equipment or lengthy routines. Core strength and stability. Your core plays a vital role in maintaining push-up form, helping to strengthen your abs, lower back, and obliques. Over time, this translates to improved posture, better balance, and a stronger overall core, increases strength and endurance. Push-ups build functional strength that carries over into everyday tasks. From lifting groceries to carrying children, your body becomes more capable of handling physical challenges with ease, boosts calorie burn and fat loss. Push-ups are a high-intensity, compound movement, meaning they help raise your heart rate and burn calories. The more calories you burn, the easier it becomes to shed excess fat and improve muscle tone. How to maximize your push-up results? For the best results, aim to incorporate different push-up variations into your routine. Here are a few to try. Wide grip push-ups. Focus more on your chest and shoulders. Close grip push-ups. Engage your triceps and inner chest. Explosive push-ups. Add a plyometric element to boost power and strength. Doing just a few sets of push-ups daily, with proper form, can deliver powerful results in terms of both strength and fat loss. And because they require no equipment, you can do them at home, in the park, or even in your office. Push-ups are a game changer for building full-body strength, increasing endurance, and improving overall fitness. Simple yet effective, they offer a workout that targets multiple muscle groups in just a few minutes a day. Ready to transform your body with this ultimate exercise? Start today and unlock the powerful benefits of push-ups.